Hey guys, welcome to Pocket Auto Diagnostics. Today we have a 2000 Infiniti i30. Customer called me to reprogram an ECM. I came to see the car. One thing I noticed is I connect my scanner. I cannot communicate with the ECM. Looking at the cluster panel, the ECM the changing light is not on, so that suggests the ECM is not getting power. I checked the fuse for the ECM and I found out that the fuse is blown. So fuse doesn't go bad for no reason. Then I just put another fuse just to make sure, and then it popped right away. So just right there we know that the circuit is short to ground. Now we are looking at the fuse panel for the ECU. The problem we have is the second from the top. There are two fuses for the engine control, 1 and 2. The problem we have is the one on the top, engine control number 2. It's a 15 amp fuse. As you can see, it already popped 2 of my fuses. Let me show you what I found out. With test light connect to the positive terminal, and then here, see my test light, it lit. That suggests that wire, that circuit is short to ground. Let me show you a good one. So let's look at the one below. You see here, it's not lit. This one's lit, so that's short to ground. So how about some vehicle history? About 2 weeks ago, the car started running a little bit rough, and then also at the same time, like he put the key, turned the ignition on, tried to crank it. He had to try so many times or hold it there for like maybe 10 seconds before the starter will start cranking. And then he called a mobile guy to change the starter. That fixed the hard to crank problem. But ever since, the car was never able to fire up again. It will just crank, but never fire up. The mobile mechanic showed him a spark plug replacement. And that spark plug replacement, of course, it didn't fix the problem. So what's the problem? We know that the fuse for the ECM, all this was caused by a bad starter replacement. I think the next step will be remove the air box so we can take a look and see which wire is broken. After about 45 minutes, yeah, it took me that long to get some idea. Okay, I still don't know where the short is, but I kind of have a direction. So airbox is out, and this is how I find the short. Test light connect to the battery positive, and then we just connect the other side to the circuit that's short to ground. So right now, you see that the test light is not lit anymore. But as soon as I connect this connector, let me get you a shot. You see that? The test light lit. So we know that the short has to be anywhere from this all the way to the engine computer. And this is the location where the starter is. Just as I expected, all this short is caused by a bad starter installation. Going to pause the video here, and then I let you guys know what I find out. I think I have to take out the starter. I think I finally found the problem. So this is the plug that I unplug, and then the short goes away. And then if we follow this wire here, oh man, this kind of pain in the ass to work on. So this is the wire come from there Do you see that the bolt, it's sitting right over the wire? That side too. The wire got pinched to the ground. That's what happened. So I'm going to loosen the starter a little bit, and then just to confirm that the short goes away. Let me show you what I got. Finally we found our broken wire. This wire is the wire that was sitting underneath the bolt here. As soon as we fix this, it should be good to go. Let's try that. Let me put you down for a second. With the connector, plug in, and then let's do the same test. It's test light lit. Test light, find a ground, it will lit, and then go back to our the fuse 59. Now it's no longer lit anymore. So that's it. Let me patch the wire, and job well done. I put everything back together. Moment of the truth. Let's see what's up. Okay, cool. We see the service engine light soon. We should have communication and power to the ECM. Let's start it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, hold on. Something's wrong. Okay guys, there was a little bit drama. My freaking jump starter has been letting me down recently. Kinda sad though. I only had it for a year, so I think that thing is done. I'm getting another one. As we all know, the car apparently is running. So I call this a fix. I still need to do some check here and there, but I want to kind of charge the battery a little bit first. So that be it. Thanks for watching.